welcome back 40 Films. We are out here in the woods. You can see we are working on our dirt bike track. We were riding this in some previous videos. So we got our excavator out. You can see right there. It's our Kx057-5 Kubota excavator. And we are fixing the trail. Wheelie grips on the chainsaw right now. We're doing a bunch of cutting, but we're going to do some trail maintenance and then we'll be riding it later. So let's get started. So we're going to put a trail in up here now where he's cutting. And then we are going to be moving these tires around here to make them better. These ones are too steep to ride. Now this is our excavator. Do a lot of work with it. Alright, now we're in our excavator. We got 520 hours on it. We are going to start moving dirt and getting this trail whacked in here. It's a pretty nice unit. It works pretty good for what we do. We do a lot of septic systems with it, but we got it home and we're out here whacking and hacking this trail in, getting it better. So we're going to start moving some brush and stuff and seeing how it looks. So wheelie grips coming out with the tractor to fix these whoops here. These are getting really rutted out. Stick my whole foot down there. They're about, I don't know, 8-10 inches deep. It's pretty deep. So we're gonna fix those, get them set up for some laps around here. We got the logs set up here. We're gonna put some more logs in another spot, since we have plenty of wood here, obviously, to mess with. So we'll be doing that, and we'll be down there fixing some stuff. We'll see where we get to today. We're got a bunch of wood to clean up out here in the woods, so we'll be cleaning that up too. He'll be bringing the tractor out soon, so we get to fix these whoops. The tractor works really good for packing whoops in, versus our excavator is bigger than the whoops, so a little bit harder with that. But yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing. Fixing these, fixing some more jumps, putting some more logs in, fixing the second set tires that we have over there. So it should be good. Should be able to get this thing ready to rock and roll pretty soon. So we got Wheelie Griff over here again on the tractor. He's fixing this jump. Fixing those whoops over there. Fixing this jump here. Grading it all out. This tractor's impressive. Super nice. It's a Kubota LX3310. Super powerful tractor. Can lift a lot of weight for how small it is. Still a small class tractor. But thing works really good. Real powerful tractor. Alright, we got Wheelie Griff here. He's gonna move these tires around so they're better to hit. Right now they kind of just shoot you in the moon. What's your plan here?
Well, the plan is to take these out, put them down farther, maybe like another foot or two closer, fill this in so you can roll it nice, and go from there.
So what's the optimal tire placement for dirt biking? Not too high, not too low, in the middle?
Get about the middle, you know.
You want soft tires, you want hard tires?
Hard tires, soft tires buck you.
Soft tires buck you, that's good to know. So how do you test your tires?
That's by jumping on them. You can see that one's pretty soft, but that one's gonna buck you, this one won't.
Huh? So that's how you test your tires for dirt biking. If you're doing an enduro race and they got tires in it, make sure you bounce on the tires with your body weight to make sure that you find a stiff one. Rate. Yeah. Otherwise, what do you end up doing?
You go over the bars.
Yeah, you end up sailing, Superman. And But alright, he's gonna change them over with the Mini we got here and see what we can do. All right, Wheelie Griff, you think it's time to go ride this course?
Yeah, I think it's time to break her in and see
All
how
right.
it feels.
Let's go get the bikes and go see how she feels. See what else we need to do to it. I think it turned out pretty good. We still got some rough spots, but
You know, but beginning of the year.
yeah. It's what the races are like though. Rough and hard to do.
And, yeah.
So, well, at least we got rid of a bunch of the big ruts and some stumps and fixed a few things.
Make it flow better.
Yeah. Alright, well, let's get suited up. Let's get out here and let's start ripping it. Let's get some ruts built in.
Yeah.
Again, if you want to follow him, I'll link his channel below. Wheelie Griff, please follow him. Help support him through his race season. I'll be putting races on again, like we said before.
Yep.
Every hair scramble.
Racing, so.
And a bunch of other cool things. Alright, let's go riding.
Reckless tour. Hey, reckless tour. But I got expensive habits. Don't stop them soon. I'm a real one, my favorite. Hey, I say reckless tour. But I got expensive habits. Don't step them soon. I'm a real one, check my fabric. Look at my fabric. I got a passion mixed with action, boy, don't play. My fabric, I got a passion mixed with action, boy. Look at my fabric, way mixed with action, players. I got this atlas, way players. I got a passion, full static, ready and go. Don't let it unfold. Be smart, if you're ready, let's roll. Feeling like this, you wanna drive my man, we ain't one of the same, one of the ways we do this. I'm back in my zone again. No way can I hold it in. Look at me when I'm